So we just want to start with part 2, right?
Yeah.
So let's see. 4-sided die has 4 possible outcomes for each roll: 1, 2, 3, or 4. Calculate the mean of this discrete random variable.
Okay.
See, we've got
So to get the mean, yeah, go.
Okay, I was just saying we got our value, our count, and our value times proportion. So it's pretty simple because the value, you just 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the count is you've got basically, if going off the probability, you have a 25% chance of landing on each one.
Yeah,
right?
0.25.
Yeah.
0.25, yeah.
Yep.
So
you multiply those and then add them all up and get 2.5.
Yep.
Yep. That's pretty much it.
That's the mean.
Yes.
Yep. This one's going to be short today.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, and then, so calculate the standard deviation of this discrete random variable. So then you had to do 1 minus, or each value minus the mean.
Yep.
Times it by the proportion.
Yep.
Right.
And each value minus the mean squared multiplied by the
Squared.
whatever, and then add all those together and take the square root of it.
Yep.
And it came out as 1.118.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Start the quiz.
Yeah.
That all we needed for the quiz.
That was all we needed, so.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, it's fast.
I know. It's kind of nice when it's that fast.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Let's see.
All right. So I don't have the truth very first. I just have a table. Is that what you guys have? Color portion table. Are you guys still there?
Is it?
Okay. So number 1, it was just like it's an actual question.
Oh.
All right.
Randomly select a student in the class. Is that right?
No.
No. Did you do the homework or the group meeting one?
Oh, shoot! I'm on homework. Oh, shoot.
You can save it. You should be able to save it for later. I think most of the homework you can.
Yeah.
Oh, this.
If not.
I'm gonna just try to get out of it. Oh, shoot! It says I must answer.
Email her and just say, hey, like I went into the wrong thing. We're trying to do the group meeting, and I opened up the wrong one, and I wasn't ready to do it. Can you just reopen it for me? I'm sure she'll.
I'll actually just open up a new tab. I'll leave that one open. Maybe I'll just do that tonight. Wasn't planning on that, but I'll do it tonight.
There you go.
All right, let me open up the right one. Sorry, guys.
No worries.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there we go. Okay. So number 3 is the blood types and proportions, right?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm on the right one. Okay.
So, define a probability distribution. Is that true?
Wait, what?
So it says the blood types and proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution.
Yeah, it equals 1. So
Okay.
let's try the requirements.
And that's the proportion is, yeah, I would say true.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yep.
So what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? So 0.45.
0.45.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep. And then it will not have.
So just 1 minus 0.45, which is
0.45.
5.
5.
0.55.
Yeah.
You guys putting 0.45 and 0.55?
I just put 0.55.
I put
Oh,
0.45.
just point. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you,
Um,
Brandon, that all taken care of last time with?
Yeah, did she give you the points?
Yeah, she did end up giving me a point, so I was pretty
Oh,
happy
good.
about that.
Good.
So
I was going to say, we all have the same answers.
Yeah.
at the top on it says give all your probability answers as decimals. So it says, for example, 0.1234.
So
I'm
we
guessing
should probably put 0,
there's a 0 in front of it. Yeah.
just to be safe.
Yeah.
But someone reads these.
Okay. Okay, so there's 7 bowls.
Hmm.
6 did not have bladder cancer, and 1 did.
Yeah, so 1 and 7.
So
0.14.
143.
1, 4, 3.
Yep. So do we do 3 decimal places always? Is that what she said?
Yeah.
It says it in the
Oh,
thing.
it says it in
2
the
or
thing.
3.
So yeah, it says round to the nearest to the 3 decimal places. So
Okay.
Yeah.
okay, go to more trials.
This is like 50% of the time. That's not very strong.
Chance alone.
40% of the time. I think it's just where it says there's little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer, because it's 40% of the time, 41% of the time, roughly, it's the dog
Yeah.
can find it, which is not all that great.
No.
I don't know. Was there something in the reading or anything that said like a certain amount that would show that?
Compared to the
evidence?
probability that it was random, though, is basically 14%. So being
Yeah,
that
so
it's almost
it's about
triple,
3 times.
yeah, about triple the random chance, I would assume that that's better evidence that the dogs can versus can't.
Okay, because I couldn't
Okay.
remember if I. So we're gonna say it does provide strong evidence.
Yeah.
I would think so.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah,
I don't know,
because the
because it's
triple-
like what you said.
The
Like,
random.
what's the definition of strong evidence, though?
Yeah.
And that's
So-
like because I have the reading open too, and I can't seem to find. Let's see, anything that really gives clear randomness. I don't find anything that says a certain percentage is like strong or
Good or
not.
strong, yeah. I would just assume it is just going off of random versus good. Because if
Yeah.
you thought about like a dice, it has about a 17% chance. If you tripled that to 51%, and that's definitely not random anymore, that you're getting a 6
Yeah.
51% of the time.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. That makes sense.
So should we just move
Okay.
on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reaching the bag of plain M&Ms with the probability of drawing a red-colored candy.
0, 1, 3.
Yep.
0.1. Yeah.
0.13. Yeah.
Well, let's
Yep.
see. Does that add up to?
One.
You have to add in the green one.
Do you guys have the green one marked out on your screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we're supposed to find out
What it is.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
green is 0.16.
Yeah.
That's what I
Yeah.
got.
Yeah, I did too.
So it's a 0.13 for 8.
Yeah.
Yep.
8 is 0.13, and then a green candy is 0.16.
Yep. What is the probability that a random selected candy
Isn't it?
24?
Yeah, it's 0.84.
Yep. Right. Okay. Wouldn't it, so number 11, wouldn't it be 24?
Yeah, because the median's 24.
Median's 24.
Yeah. I was
Okay.
looking for the median.
All right. Top 25% scored
Above 7.
above 27?
Yeah.
Well, that's Q3, so
Yeah, it's
70%.
2, 3, yeah, so 27.
The following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability.
And the first, if the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If it's low, then it's negative.
Yeah, that's not one of the rules.
That's not a rule. Okay, I'll turn it in this time.
Okay.
100%.
Sweet.
Nice.
Submit. Easy.
Right.
Right on.
That was
Good job,
easy.
guys. I know.
Yeah, that was fast.
It's like little that was easy button from Staples, you know?
Yeah. Perfect. Okay.
Cool.
Well, is that everything? Does anyone have any other questions or?
That was
Are we gonna meet Wednesday night at 8 again?
Wednesday at 8?
Yeah,
Yep.
that's fine with me. Yep.
Okay.
Works. All right.
Okay. See you guys.
Okay, see
Yeah,
ya.
have a good night, guys.
You
You
too.
too.